This tutorial is for those who want to use the Portuguese verb study aid created in Google Sheets. You'll find a link to this sheet in the description below this video. After you open the spreadsheet and try to use the macros, you might be warned that this action is not safe. If you are still interested in using the functionality, you can review the macros before you use them. First, you must be logged in to your Google account and have already made a copy of the spreadsheet. You will not be able to use or view the macros with only view capabilities. See a separate video to take ownership of the spreadsheet. Go to the Tools menu and select Script Editor. A new tab in your browser should open. Notice that on the left side, we have only one file, and it is called macro.gs. This is the file where you can find all of the macros written for the sheet. If not selected already, select it. This macro file contains 8 functions, as can be seen by the drop-down near the top. The first 5 of these are the ones we saw in action in the introduction video. Volta para texte, to return from studying the verbs. Estude os verbos, to study the verbs. Sem voz, to edit, to remove the voice lines. Com voz, to edit, to add the voice lines. And limpe as respostas, to clear the entries from the test. The 6th function, create verb selection page, we saw used in the video to create a personalized test. This function is used to create the tab that allows you to select the verbs you want on a personalized test. The 7th function, create matrix, can be used by an administrator to create a section of code that adds other verbs to the test setup macro. The last one, setup test, is that function used to set up a new test. You can also access the macros from Manage Macros command under Tools, Macros menu. In this screen, you will see the macros and their shortcuts. You can change these if you would like. Next to the shortcuts, you will find 3 stacked dots. Click on this and edit the script. Once satisfied, when you get the authorization required, click Continue. You might be asked to choose an account to continue. Select your account. If Google hasn't verified this app, you will see this message. Click Advance. Scroll down if you do not see the entire warning, and click on the link Go to Recorded Macros, os verbos, unsafe. You will get another message stating that the macros want to access your Google account. This will allow recorded macros, os verbos, to view and manage spreadsheets that this application has been installed in. See, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheets in Google Drive. Scroll down and click Allow. You should then have full functionality of this spreadsheet.